This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. Our complete sauces are an all-in-one cooking sauce that is convenient and easy to use. Explore our other complete sauces in the range. With our convenient and easy-to-use Singapore Curry Complete Sauce, you can now make your very own delicious Singapore curry. The Singapore curry is created with various spices with a hint of chili, skillfully blended to create this national dish full of cross-cultural influences. Here are the ingredients you will need to prepare Singapore curry chicken. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Bring water to boil on high heat. Add chicken and potatoes. Stir well and bring to a boil. Remove meat scum. Step 2. Cover the pot and medium boil for 10 minutes. Step 3. Add Prima Taste Singapore Curry Complete Sauce and mix well. Then low boil for 7 minutes before serving in a bowl. And there you have it! Delicious Singapore curry is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Not only is our complete sauce easy and convenient to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of up to 25% compared to other food outlets. Check out our website for more cooking videos.